Er der nogen tilbage? Fedt. Aldrig har jeg været så sikker på noget, som efter vores konversation i tog. Solen blinkede i dit hår, og jeg spurgte om du skulle nå. Jeg gjorde mit bedste, men intet var nok, selvom jeg var din egen. Hvis jeg længe kom, du synes jeg gjorde alting forkert, og jeg kan sikkert aldrig fik det værd. Jeg håber du forstår mig, nu hvor jeg går fra dig, og jeg kan ikke leve sådan mere. Jeg håber at du møder en af dig, præcis som du er. En der forstår dig, en der formår dig, og det fortjener du og så meget mere. Som efter vores honeymoon stod at tænke, eller kommer en tid, hvor man må give op, selvom det gør så ondt at sige stop. Jeg håber du forstår mig, nu hvor jeg går fra dig, for jeg kan ikke leve sådan her. Jeg håber at du møder som du er, en der forstår dig, en der formår dig, men det fortjener du og så meget mere. Jeg håber du forstår mig, nu hvor jeg går fra dig, for jeg kan ikke blive sådan her mere. Jeg håber at du møder en der du er, en der forstår dig, en der formår dig, men det fortjener du og så meget mere. Tusind tak skal I have. Jeg stiller lige mikrofonen, så jeg også skal synge den. Det plejer jeg nemlig at hjælpe. Tak fordi I bliver så længe. Den næste sang her handler om krig, og så hjælper det sgu ikke noget, hvad vi stemmer på. Den hedder Soldiers. Contagious laughter bleeds into the silver moon of dawn, like children losing government who can't tell right from wrong. Spineless, spineless gobbles swept upon the shore, paralyzed by poison from corporations they adore. Soldiers were not all they were, husbands, sons and daughters, and they sent them home in caskets for no reason at all. And their children went to funerals at the Royal Air Force Home. born into eternal slavery like now and those before, who would dare to scream for freedom in a world of constant war. Brainwashed by the media to believe important lies, spend their lives creating fortunes for the devils they despise. Soldiers were not all they were, husbands, sons and daughters, and they sent them home in caskets for no reason at all. And the children went to funerals at the Royal Air Force Home. The ugly truth that none of them are really brave or free. They live their lives of happiness and fight for their country. What good are all their medals, Purple Hearts displayed? Just as cheap as plastic and scattered on their graves. Soldiers were not all they were, husbands, sons and daughters, and they sent them home in caskets for no reason at all. And the children cried at funerals at the Royal Air Force Home. Soldiers were not all they were, husbands, sons and daughters, and they sent them home in caskets for no reason at all. And the children cried at funerals at the Royal Air Force Home. Susan, gracias, thank you. I'm Songbird, and you can find me on YouTube, Songbird Ross Song. Like and subscribe.